It's an all-new Cooking with the Kellys. Today we're making red rice. It's gonna be yum, y'all. You're going to need a red and green pepper, a half an onion, 1 celery stalk, some scallions, a Cajun sausage, fennel seeds, 2 bay leaves, some salt and pepper, your favorite hot sauce, and some rendered bacon fat, grained white rice, some garlic paste, tomato sauce, and tomato bouillon. After you dice all of your veggies, you're going to toast your fennel seeds. Swirl them around over medium heat to keep from burning. Just a few minutes should do. Then remove them from the pan and toss in about 2 tablespoons of your rendered bacon fat. After the bacon fat has melted, toss in all of your veggies and saute. Season it with a little salt and a little pepper. Stir in about a tablespoon of your garlic paste. Stir in your diced sausage. After a few good stirs, then it's time to add your rice. We used about 1.5 cups. Give it a good stir and let it saute for about 3 minutes. Now you can use tomato paste, tomato sauce, but whatever you use, you want to add water to your liquid, your paste or your tomato, to make it twice as much as your rice. So if you're using 1.5 cups of rice, you'll use 3 cups of your liquid. Go ahead and add in 2 heaping tablespoons of your tomato bouillon. Don't forget the bay leaf. And for a little added color, I added in a few dashes of some dried parsley flakes. And just a pinch of sugar. Last but not least, add in your fennel. Cover with your lid, reduce your temperature to low, and cook for 12 minutes. Then turn off your heat without taking the top off and let it sit for another 12 minutes. And there you have it, perfect rice. Adding some shrimp is a delicious way to have this dish. I told you it was gonna be yum, y'all.